Here's how to create a Facebook page. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch the full video and don't skip any important steps. First, you will need to open your Facebook account. After signing into your Facebook account, now tap on the menu icon at the top right corner. Then here at this page, scroll down and go to the page option. After that, here you will be able to view the option of create at the top left corner. Click on it. Tap on get started option here. Then here you have to enter your page name and click on the next. Your page name should be of your brand name also. After entering your page name, tap on the next. Moving on to the next step, here you have to enter the category of your page. Then tap on the create option. After that, your page will be created successfully. After creating your page, add your business related information. So that's how to create page on Facebook.